Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a nice human figure. Let's start the drawing, and we are starting the drawing from the top. So any drawing, when we start for the shape of figure, we start it usually from the head. First we just draw the outlines, later we draw the details. So you can see the steps and procedures are followed here. So I'm drawing the mouth now. Okay. So you can see the outlines of the face. Now I'm going to draw the ears. And the shape of the hair is on the top, you can see. And the eyes. This is the eyebrow. Mm-hmm. And on top of it, you can see I'm putting the hair. All right. And she's holding the hair with the hand. So let's draw the fingers. All right. You can see the fingers and the hands. The shape is becoming visible nicely. Okay. All right. And another hand I can see on the other side. Okay. So usually when you draw, you have to observe the wrinkles and the shades and the other parts. Okay. Now we are putting the shades of the dresses here. The usual fashions and the designs of the dress. You can see from the wrinkles and other parts. It's a traditional Indian dress. Okay. All right. So this line continues up to this point, and we are connecting here. Okay. You can see the traditional dress, and the other parts is hanging here on the other side. So it's a beautiful sketches of the outside borders. Okay. So this is the outlines you can see right now. Then I'm going to color the whole part. So usually it looks good after completion of the coloring and all the drawings. Okay. Let's put the black color on the top, but putting the details here. For the hair, we're putting the black color. It's a dark color, you can see here from the drawing. All right. And we're going to put the purple color for the top portion dress here. Some details along the wrinkles. So we can see the shades is going on, and the drawing is becoming nicely visible. Okay. Also doing the details on the other sides. Mhm. All right, doing the colors. And around the border here you can see the colors. All the drawings you can see it's not edited, or we didn't use any fast forwarding program. So the drawing you can see here is the real timing, real life drawing. All right. Okay. And the dress you can see it's a red dress, so the shades will be red. All the shades you can see here is red dress. Okay. So you can see the shades. And the usual red shades all over the surface, also in the back side. So the presentations of the dresses, this makes the shades and shadow looks good. Okay, and we're going to put few colors for the body with the orange color. Darker on one sides only. It's because the light falls from one side and the shades and shadow falls on the other side. That's why by putting the color only one side. Okay, so almost the drawing is complete. All right. So this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on. Thanks for so much. Thank you so much. Have a good day.